So what's the takeaway from the language when it comes to watching markets for the BOJ? Does it really seem like it will make an impact, given that it does feel like perhaps policymakers are sort of treading water?
Indeed, I think the takeaway is that Team Japan is still on the same page. The BOJ still has the support of the government to continue with its easing, but it's essentially saying, hey, be careful what you say. If you look at the wording, we've seen a draft of the stimulus plan, which we are expecting to come out on Friday. The wording says that the Bank of Japan should continue towards its stable price goal, making sure that it's sustainably reached. So that suggests support, continued support for the BOJ. Meanwhile, it's saying that the BOJ must pay sufficient attention to market moves and their impact. Now, that's not a million miles away from what the BOJ is already saying in its statement at meetings. It says it must pay due attention to developments in financial markets and their impact on the economy and prices. But it does show that there is more of an emphasis on, hey, you are not independent of the markets. So be careful what you say, be careful with your signalling.
When it comes to market moves, really sharp moves when it comes to the Japanese yen, right? Not just on Friday, but also on Monday. So this has led to speculation of intervention. What is the new currency intervention playbook here by Japanese authorities? Will they go ahead and acknowledge it? We have seen a few of these moves happen during offshore hours when Japan wasn't really trading. So what does this mean in the calculations of authorities in doing all of this?
Well, I think there's two things here. One is showing foreign investors, foreign speculators that, hey, we're watching, we're on you, we're on your case. Notice that a lot of the movement in the yen has happened during foreign trading hours rather than Japan trading hours. And point number two is leaving like a doubt out there, fear in the market. Hey, we don't know exactly what they're doing, when they're going to come in. They're not explaining, they're not saying. Therefore, there's that element of doubt, maybe slows down the moves, keeps speculators on guard a bit more. What is clear is the gloves have come off, and Japan is taking its defense of the yen very seriously.